Alright, so good afternoon, good morning everyone. This is again Professor Vincent Torre Bongolan and welcome to the part 3 on how to improve the Net Promoter Score. Okay, so as I have discussed in the second part of the video, we already identify the factors that drives the Net Promoter Score. And one of this factor that we mentioned is the time to resolution. So based on this data that we have, our current NPS is at 47. Okay? So how could we improve this score? Alright, so first is we need to work on the first driver that we mentioned in the second part of the video. Alright, so which is the time to resolution or the time to resolve the issue or the tickets. As you can see from this table, alright, if the tickets were resolved in 0 to 2 days, the NPS is at 47. And if the tickets were resolved in 3 to 4 days, the NPS is at 43. So there's a decrease of 5 points in the NPS. In addition, if the tickets were resolved in 5 to 6 days, you notice that the NPS becomes negative. And when the tickets were resolved more than 7 days, the NPS score is going worst and it become negative 32. Alright? So how could we improve, or what is the solution that we need to do in order to increase the NPS of 47? Okay? So the projected NPS is 58. Okay, so the goal is if we can able to convert the 6,578 tickets and we can resolve this in 0 to 2 days instead of 3 to 4 days, what will be the NPS then? Alright, so in other words, if we can be able to resolve this ticket 6,578 from 47 NPS, there will be an additional of 3 in the NPS. Alright, so thus the projected NPS will now become 50. Okay, so as you can see, the NPS is, increased by 3 points. Okay, so for example, if we can able to resolve 9,878 tickets in 0 to 2 days from 5 to 6 days, how much is the increase in the NPS, or how many NPS will be added? Alright, so based on this table, from 47, there will be an additional of 4 in the NPS. So thus, the projected NPS is at 51. Moreover, if we can be able to resolve 8,768 tickets to 0 to 2 days, then there will be another or additional 4 points in the NPS. So thus, the NPS is 51. Okay, so what if we can able to resolve 6,578 tickets, 9,878, and 8,768 tickets in 0 to 2 days? How many NPS will be added from the base NPS from 47? That is 11. So imagine, So if we can be able to convert 6,578, 9,878, and 8,768 tickets to 0 to 2 days, there will be an additional of 11 points in the NPS. So thus, we can be able to increase the NPS from 47 to 58. Alright, so to identify and to know the formula, I have gone through to understand the logic I have used in calculating the projected NPS. Please subscribe, share this channel, and comment your email so that I can be able to send the logic or the formula. Okay? And I will also willing to guide you how to do this. Okay, so this is for aspiring data analyst. This is for aspiring data scientist. Because this tricks, this strategy is of course my personal approach. Okay. So, by the way, before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. Alright, so I am Professor Vincent Tori Bongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 18 years of experience in technology and analytics. Currently, I am holding the Senior Business Insights Manager 2 in a BPO company, where I manage 3 pillars of the organizations, namely the reports and the visualizations, the analytics and insights team, and the reports development and automation. Each pillars have a distinct role within the organization where we provide support to our operations, training, quality, workforce, and other teams within the organization. As you know, my team in a BPO company encapsulate the real and the correct definition of data science. I know you are aware that data science is defined as the interdisciplinary skills in statistics or data mining, computer science, and business management. Thus, I have a group of experts who loves creating and building aesthetic and crystal clear reports and dashboard. I have a good of teams who are who loves digging numbers and provide insights to our stakeholders. And of course, I have a group of experts who loves automating some of the repetitive tasks and of course to formulate approaches to speed up the process of reporting. Alright, so that is my role in a BPO company. Aside from this BPO company, I am also the senior professor at De La Salle College of St. Benilde, specifically at the School of Management and Information Technology, wherein some of the subject courses I'm handling includes the descriptive analytics, predictive analytics, prescriptive analytics, big data fundamentals, fundamentals of data warehousing, social media analytics, and all other related to statistics. Alright, so aside from SMIT, I also curated a program course for the School of Professional and Continuing Education, also in De La Salle College of St. Benilde, particularly the emerging technology courses. Okay, so one example of the course I have written for them is the programming for analytics and data science. I'm also a book author on research and the statistics, and at the same time, I'm also a contributing author on different e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and other similar platforms. Alright, so thank you very much and have a great day.